channel. Welcome if you're new. I'm Holly, and today I'm sharing with you a Walmart grocery haul. It's been a while since I've done one, so let's get right into this one. And here I bought some Toll House semi-sweet, the mini morsels, some caramel bits, and these are going to be for recipes that I'm planning to do on my channel. So some Heath English toffee bits. These are really, really good. Also, I needed, I think, 16 Reese's cups. So I got this 6-pack and a 4-pack, so I can do that. Some Taco Bell seasoning, always my favorite go-to when I need taco seasoning. Some Heinz tomato ketchup, and this is the no sugar added. This is my favorite one to use for me. My husband used, and daughter and grandson use the regular, but that's the one I like to use. Some Taco Bell thick and chunky salsa. Also found this Padilla chili sauce with garlic and sriracha. It's hot, so I'm going to see about using this in some things. We'll have to see about that one. Also some red enchilada sauce. I don't know if you can see that. Some black olives already cut up, and tomatoes and chilies. That's the Rotel brand. Some fudge brownie mix, and I have 2 of those. One's chocolate fudge, one's fudge. Lemon cake mix. Some pineapple chunks, which I love to snack on those. And these will be for a recipe. Some 4th of July type sprinkles. Same here with these sprinkles. This is the Wilton's, the red food dye, so I needed that. Some pure vanilla extract, and some lemon frosting to go with that lemon cake mix. Also my, as per usual, 7-Up Zero sugar. And let's see what else I have. I have the chocolate syrup, so I need that for a recipe as well. And then we'll use the rest for probably just like that, putting it over ice cream or something like that. Some natural Jif creamy peanut butter. I like this one because it has the low sodium in this. Also, my favorite, G. Hughes's dressings. So this one is a sugar-free sweet vinaigrette. This one's really, really good. Now, this is a coleslaw dressing, which I like. I get to times when I want to just have some coleslaw, so this is great. You just put a little bit of that in, mix it in to the pre-mixed ones, or you can make your own. So really, really good. Also, the Premier Protein. This is the cafe latte, and I like to put this one in my coffee. Some yellow cornmeal mix, and that's the hot rise, self-rising one. Some snacks. So I have those Lay's wavy potato chips, and some Fritos scoops, along with this creamy spinach dip, which is really good. Also some Dijon mustard. I like that on my sandwiches. Some Claussen pickles. I'm going to do this in a recipe. Actually, you'll probably see that before you see this video. And I have some Swiffer dusters for cleaning. Some headache relief, which is basically the generic form of Excedrin, which works really great for me for my headaches. Also some apple cider vinegar, and that is in gummy form. And the Immune Plus, also some gummies for that. Some panko breadcrumbs, and that's the plain ones. I can add my own seasoning to that one. Some Italian style breadcrumbs, some stevia in the raw, and I like to put that in my coffee. Some instant grits, that's the butter flavored ones. Also, this is the Louisiana brand crispy air fryer pork, so I'm going to try that one and see how that one works. I've done the chicken before, and it tasted good, so we'll see about that one. Also, some strawberry cheesecake. This is my favorite yogurt, the Light and Fit Dannon's. Also, honey roasted turkey breast. That's the family pack, and this is the honey ham, the deli one. So it's a natural choice. It also doesn't have any preservatives, nitrates or nitrites, and no artificial ingredients. So similar, to the same with the Hillshire Farm. And 2 packs of butter I needed. Some green onions. We like this particular sausage. It's really, really good. Also Oreos, So this will be for a recipe I'm doing. Some Mission Carb Balance Flour tortillas, and I have 2 packs of those. Philadelphia cream cheese, I have 2 packs of that and 1 pack. So I needed several for a recipe as well. Some sour cream, eggs, and also a red onion. And I believe that's it for this grocery haul. I think that's everything that I picked up. Not a whole lot, but even so, it still cost a lot. So prices are still, you know, pretty high on things. Some things have gone down, some things not so much. But hopefully maybe you found some things in here that you may not have seen at Walmart before that you might want to try, you know, like those sugar-free, you know, dressings and things like that. But I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in seeing more like it, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell. That will notify you when I post new videos. Hope everyone has a blessed day. Thank y'all so much for watching. God bless y'all.